The significance of interest rates. Interest rates are a fundamental concept in finance, influencing borrowing, lending, and investment decisions. They play a crucial role in shaping economic activities and financial markets. Defining interest rates. Interest rates represent the cost of borrowing money or the reward for lending money. They are typically expressed as a manual percentage of the principal amount borrowed on or lends. First, simple interest calculate only on the principal amount borrowed. Next, compound interest calculate on both the principal and accumulate interest. Fixed interest rates remain constant throughout the long term. Last, variable interest rates fluctuate based on market conditions. Next, factor influencing interest rate. Interest rates are influenced by a combination of economic, political, and market factors. They reflect the supply and demand for credit in the economy. First, inflation. High inflation typically leads the high interest rate as lenders need to be concept for the erosion of their purchasing power. Next, economic growth. Strong economic growth usually result in lower interest rate as our business and consumer demand for credit. Last, central bank policy. Central bank use monetary policy tools such as setting interest rate to influence economic activity. The role of central bank. Central bank play a pivotal role in managing interest rate. They use monetary policy to control the money supply and influence inflation and economic growth. Next, setting interest rating. Central bank set a benchmark interest rate for overnight lending between banks. Buying or selling government bonds. The action inject or withdraw money from the economy, influencing interest rate. Last, managing inflation. Central bank to keep inflation at a target level by adjusting interest rate. Next, impact of interest rate on borrowing and lending. Interest rate impact borrow and lending decision. Higher interest rate make it more expensive to borrow money, while lower rates make it cheaper. First, higher interest rate reduce borrowing demand, increase lending profitability. Lower interest rate increase borrowing demand, reduce lending profitability. Next, change in interest rate impact consumer and business in various ways. They affect borrow costs, investment return, and overall economic activities. First, home mortgage. Higher interest rates makes mortgage more expensive, reducing affordability. Credit card debt. Higher interest rate on credit card can lead to increased debt burdens. Investment. Lower interest rate can make investment more attractive, stimulating economic growth. Business loans. Higher interest rate make it more expensive for business borrow, potential slowing down expansion. Strategy for managing interest rate fluctuation. Managing interest rate fluctuation requires proactive strategies to mitigate risk and maximize opportunities. First, diversity investment. Spread investment across different asset class to reduce exposure to interest rate change. Next, fixed rate loan. Consider fixed rate loan to lock in interest rate and avoid future fluctuation. And last, adjust spending habits. Reduce discretionary spending during periods of rising interest rate. Conclusion and key takeaway. Interest rates are fundamental economic forces that significantly impact financial market, business, and individuals. Understanding interest rate. Understanding the interest rates influencing interest rate is crucial for making informed financial decisions. Managing risk. Developing strategies to manage interest rate fluctuation is essential for mitigating risk and maximizing opportunity. Central banks play a pivotal role in managing interest rates through monetary policy.